I'm Francesco Sauro. I'm a geologist, but also a speleologist. And my focus of research is about caves, so underground environments on Earth and also on other planets like the Moon and Mars. For this, I'm coordinating a topical team of the European Space Agency, which is trying to provide new information and foster future missions to these environments on the Moon.
Ricordo mio padre, che era un biologo, naturalista, e passava le sue giornate nei boschi, però la sera ogni giorno tornava a casa e accendeva il suo camino. Proprio questa esigenza di domesticità mi è sempre interessato, il bisogno dell'uomo di plasmare l'ambiente naturale a propria immagine.
Caves have been used as refuge for thousands and thousands of years. These natural places are natural houses in a way where you can protect yourself from the environmental conditions, the dangers, the risk from the outside. We know more than 230 caves on the Moon. For Mars, we know more than 1,300 cave entrances, so there is a huge potential for Mars. And for Mars is also very interesting because we think that if there was microbial life on Mars, this life has been probably finding refuge in the caves.